Let's use MS Excel to calculate the NPV. Given here are two projects, Project S and Project L, both of which have lives of 4 years. Both require an initial outlay of $1,000 at time period t equal to 0, and their corresponding cash flows are present on their respective timelines. If a company wants to select one or more of these projects, how do they decide? The NPV can help. So to calculate the NPV of a project, we go to Formulas, Insert Function, go to All, and select the NPV. Say OK. The NPV asks for the rate, the discount rate or the cost of capital. For Project S, it's 10%. And the values are essentially the arrays, which are from time period 1 to time period 4. The initial outlay is not taken into account while calculating the NPV of the project in Excel just yet. So we put in the cash flows from time period 1 to 4, which are essentially the inflows, and then say OK. One of the points with respect to Excel is that to calculate the NPV, after we make this calculation, we need to ensure that we deduct the original cash outlay, which is $1,000. So this gives us the NPV of Project S to be 79. If we want to see it with decimal places, it will be 78.82. So a positive NPV of 78.82. When companies make accept or reject decisions, generally positive NPV projects are favorable and can be accepted. Let's find out or calculate the NPV for Project L. So go to Formulas, Insert Function, and now you can go to Most Recently Used because we just calculated the NPV, and say OK. Again, choose the discount rate or the cost of capital of 10%. In the values, choose the arrays which represent cash flows from time period t equal to 1 onwards. We don't take the initial cash flow at time period t equal to 0. So say OK. To find out the NPV, we need to ensure that we adjust for the initial cash outlay of the $1,000, which gives us an NPV of 49.18. Here again, it is a positive NPV. So positive NPVs are generally favorable. They indicate good projects which bring in cash and which can be accepted.